All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Today is all about docking. We do a lot of stuff early in the morning here. We spend all morning. We run to the store, we run over to West Marine, we pick up a few supplies, we get all our stickers on. I show him how to clean his sea strainers, which is super important, especially the AC, but he needs to constantly be checking those, so that's something he needs to learn as a captain. And then today we really start to get into the prime now. We've been together for four days now, 5 days, and we're really starting to see them work together as a team. And we found out that Jim gets it to the slip, and then Carla does the final little backing in. So you're going to see that in today's videos. And today, so we're cleaning the sea strainers. Okay, yep, perfect. And now you're going to just put your cap on there. And you don't give you a lot of room in there, do they, Jim?
No.
So we're finally going for a ride today. We did a bunch of maintenance, like put our stickers on and all kinds of stuff. Now we're gonna actually go for a little bit of a ride, do some docking practices. Go ahead and get out of here. Just watch your back end.
All right, go
You
park.
don't have any control over the boat until you have a little movement over your rudder.
Yes.
So that's why we added a little bit of fuel. Now you can start steering the boat with your steering wheel. And start getting that way. Wind's gonna push you this way.
Yeah.
Perfect. Nice. And I just have a rule. I try and take the center, but I favor the windward side, if that makes sense.
Yes.
Or whatever way the
Keep it
wind's
from
pushing me.
pushing into the boats.
Correct. Really nice. I think that's your guys' is coming out of the slip move, so that's, you guys seem to do really well with that. Some big boats. So that is FITFO, right?
Yes.
And what does that stand for?
Figure it.
Princess, that wasn't nice.
I'm sorry.
That is what it stands for, right? That is crazy. And it looks like you have to, because boating is not easy. You both have learned that over the last few days. It's not for the weak of heart. Of course, I put you in all the extreme conditions. When you guys actually start boating in your conditions, it's going to change your life. You're gonna, oh.
Why did he make it so hard?
Yeah, why? Why?
Why did we go out in the rainstorm?
Yeah, why do we go out in 30-knot winds? Why do we try and dock this?
We got a big boy coming. No, different.
No.
Different. No, he's gonna come in our lane. We're gonna need him.
That lady hit this nail on the head, though, because she was right. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's
Okay.
easy to learn in perfect conditions.
Yeah.
And it doesn't, what do you really learn? You know what I'm saying? You're learning more by all of this other, yeah, you got something. Oh, this is the pusher, and he's, so that is a big boy coming through there. That's where the sharp turn is too, right? Where the shallow spot is?
Yeah.
Okay. So do what you learned earlier. You're not gonna wanna go forward, you're not gonna wanna go backwards, and you're not gonna wanna hit that dock. And then we're gonna stay and let these guys, so just exactly what you learned.
Gotta make sure.
He's working. That's awesome. We just talked to the crew. We said, hey, you guys know that's cheating. Now we got another one coming around. Another big one coming around. You're doing perfect, boss. I love it. Couldn't be any more better timing. No forward. Yep. Start your reverse. Now see how you're going forward? So not now you're going start neutral, driving too much. Does that make sense? You're over driving the boat. Look at the size of this thing. I wonder what you know you got to have a captain's license. You have to have with a towing endorsement.
We'll get ready to pull out in a second.
Yep. So there must be a certain time of day when those bridges, they know, you know what I'm saying? Like, gonna come around the corner.
That's a big ass one. Did you see that?
Was it? It's a big one. What is that thing? A sea spirit. I really like that.
You ever watch that documentary on Shackles?
This is where the big boys. We're getting a pump out. You know, tomorrow's the last day of training on the Greenline. They're doing good. Gray Cliffs. Back 9.5. I think he's a golfer. Oh, what the heck is this thing? Some type of sport fish. That thing looks crazy. These boats are just pure insanity. Miami, Florida. Oof. I need to find an owner who wants to go cruising a long ways. Look at these boats. So when you run it with your diesel, you got a little bit more power in your forward and your reverse than you do with your electric motor. Great job though, coming out of the slip.
I'm gonna go make sure that line's in position.
This isn't a ton of wind, so it's not going to be like yesterday when you were in 40 knots. See it barely flopping, you know what I'm saying? So that looks like one of the boats, Tycoon.
See how it's affecting us now?
Yeah. You're not in neutral though, boss. Did you hear that little click?
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay. They're going to make it a little more challenging for you because, see, Tycoon wasn't there this morning.
Yeah, I know. Up my distance. So I'm going to try to stay to this side.
Nope. What I would do right now is I would start turning your boat right now with your thrusters. He is in neutral. And then I would back around the front of that boat right there. Otherwise, you're going to get yourself in trouble. So go ahead and flip this boat around. Flip it around. Switch into backing mode. Does that make sense? Neutral, 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 neutral. Okay. You're looking good. You're looking good.
It's pushing me.
Okay.
Line up with the outside pole.
You need to. You know if you go against those poles over there, you know you're not going to hit anything. Perfect. Give me one more reverse bump.
Second.
Nope, that was wrong.
I was wrong?
Yeah, why would you want to get away from that pole? You want to be as close to that pole. The wind's pushing you this way. There you go. All right, one more little bump in reverse. Princess.
Oh, thanks. I think we're
Back down.
Perfect.
3 feet off.
He can start doing his lines. Just beautiful. You don't have to do anything but hold it right here. Beautiful. You're just giving him a little thrust what he needs. Beautiful. Beautiful job. Okay. Now he just needs to get his front line on it. He's hooking power. All right, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. That's the number one thing you can do. Leave a comment down below. We sure really appreciate it, even if it's just a little heart or a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Appreciate that very much. Remember, live life with no regret. I do, and I think Jim and Carla do too. Anyway, peace out. Again, thank you so much for watching. You have no idea how much I appreciate each and every one of you. And it's been a joy and a privilege to work on this Greenline with Jim and Carla.